almost about ready to go into the first official weekend of May 7th, 2021. Tyler Hayes here, 2201. We're going to do a bonus just a little bit north of Ladysmith, off of Flambeau. We just had a four-way meet happen up at Murray. 2266 is in the hole there, and to meet three southbounds. We had 196 that was led by the 2315, and we just had the M340 that was led by the 3828. And for our bonus, we got another southbound that is right now on the way, and it's about to close in on milepost 355. Sure who will lead on that, but I'm sure we'll find out in just a little bit. In between milepost 354 and 5. Let's check our southbound as we lean back and get him. Here we go. Right about 2 minutes later, she has showed up. Let's check him out. And there's Evo again. Another AC. .38 now. IC 3101, 3825. IC 3101 is a Jeep 40R, a Paducah rebuild. M344! Pulpwood merging. Blasting! RX 32 154 and the train device is going. What a catch of the M344. Yeah, the 2838, IC 3101, and the 3825 again. We'll do it here in Ladysmith. Thank you guys for watching. I'll see you next time, and I'll see you down the line. Tyler Hayes out.